Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Dreame Cordless Vacuum Cleaner V11 equipped with a brand new 125,000 RPM high-speed motor of a high-powered suction. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product. And all that was included at the box. Let's see one by one the attachment. We have the soft roller brush. This attachment is great on floor. Any type of floors, wood, tile, marble, you name it. I will test it and on a carpet to check the suction performance. Soft rubber wheel at the center, left and right. This soft brush around. Just pull this switch, release the soft roller brush. You can wash it under the water, clean it and reinstall it. There is the motor, is rotating. At this side, very easy to install, press and it locks. Transparent plastic at the front, it is very cool to check when it's rotating. Warnings, do not absorb water, do not touch the rotating brush and more. You can adjust it left and right, up and down, unlock switch. Two metal contact plates are coming in contact with this main unit. And then it gives power to the soft roller brush. Nice. Next we have the electric Mini-Motorized head, good for cleaning the sofa, bed seats or any fabrics, and for pet owners for getting hair out of their seats in the home or in the car. Adjustable transparent front plastic, the wheel is rotating. Coming in contact with the main unit gives power and rotating the motor. And you can unlock if you want, just rotate that. Pull out this brush, you can clean it, clean everything, this attachment and reinstall. And then just rotate to lock, very easy. I like it. Next we have the 2-in-1 flat brush, good for use on furniture, blinds and lampshades and on the dashboard of your car. Good versatile brush that works on many surfaces. It is very soft. Lock and lock switch, the same here. Now let's move on. Next we have the 2-in-1 vertical brush. The brush has an adjustable height depending on the job and can slide up or down the narrow nozzle. The brush also has a soft bristles. This attachment is good for cleaning your desk, the objects such as laptop, and it can clean on a tight space. Definitely you can clean on any sensitive area. It is very soft. The flexible hose, I like that. This attachment allows for more ease of use in hard to reach areas around the home and on the various places inside a car. Nice. Next we have the extension rod, beautiful metallic red color, that allows you to access hard to reach places high up in your home, such as ceiling fan or air vent, and for use on the floor, of course. Unlock switch, the two metal contact plates are coming in contact with the main unit, gives power to this soft roller brush. And of course we have the included wall mount dock for charging and storage all these attachments with a cordless vacuum. Two metal contact plates are coming in contact with this vacuum and start charging. The port for connecting the power adapter. The power adapter cable, it is about 1.5 meters, very convenient. And we have 30 volt, 0.8 amp, 24 watt power consumption. Nice. So many attachments, I like it. And let's move on at the main unit. Wow, I like it. It feels very well at my hand. Oh yeah. On-off switch. Cyclone separation technique, handheld vacuum cleaner. The filtration system can filter out particles as small as 0.3 microns. It has 12 cone cylinders, which allows more precise and finer filtration by trapping the fine dirt and dust in the dust bin. Press the button, unlock, and then just rotate, unlock, and you can remove it. Clean it, and it says here, separate from the main machine before washing, dry completely in the sun for 24 hours after washing. Nice to know. Rubber here, metal around with small holes. And we have here the 12 cone cylinder, which allows more precise and fine filtration. Rubber around, prevent any dust go outside from the dust bin. And the filtration system also allows for clean air output. Just rotate that, remove that. Dry completely in the sun for 24 hours after washing, and that. Remove if you want, and that. For me, I think the proper way to clean this filter, and this filter, it is just with high pressure air, and then you can wash it. And it is very easy to install. Rotate and it locks. And the same, and for this huge filter, rotate and it locks. Nice. It has the Dreame Space 4 high-speed powerful motor, means better performance when picking up debris on any surface. The motor operates at 25,000 Pascal and 150 air watt, which means more suction power. Max noise, it is 73 decibel. It has 3 modes of operation. With a 3000 mAh battery, can operate for up to 90 minutes in eco mode, 30 minutes in medium mode and 10 minutes in turbo mode. The battery takes 4 hours to charge, and of course you can connect directly the power adapter here. If you don't want to use at the base. The battery indicator is located on the side of the vacuum unit, showing how much battery life is left in 3 levels. We can see here. And of course it has the OLED HD color display. We can see 100% is fully charged. Let's remove the power adapter. It is on eco mode. You can go on medium mode and the turbo mode. I like this OLED HD color display, shows battery life, suction strength setting, and has hands-free lock mode for continuous use. Let's go at eco mode. Just to check the sound. Medium. And turbo. Oh, nice. And we have the lock button, continuous cleaning mode. Press once the on-off switch. By pressing the unlock button, unlocks the continuous use and stop working. Nice, I like it. It is very easy to use. Definitely it feels very comfortable at my hand. And of course, you can connect any of these attachments if you want. Connect that. And then at the front, connect any of these. Remove that. Connect that. Very easy connection. And of course, if you want, you can connect directly at the vacuum. very fast and easy connections, lock and lock. Well, let's move on for testing, see how well it can clean my home. Now I will start the test with the Eco mode. You can see the brush house rotating at the front when I'm pressing the trigger. Okay, not bad for Eco mode, but we've got some stuff on the floor. Let's test now on the middle mode. Nice. Let's check in the turbo mode. Obviously on a turbo mode it is more powerful. And after finished cleaning, it is very easy to remove everything. Just press this button. And that was all. Clean the dustbin, filter everything and lock it again, reuse it. Now let's clean this thin carpet. On a medium mode, with one button it goes a turbo mode. So easy to clean this thin carpet. And on my next test I have this thicker carpet on a turbo mode. Wow, I like the results. Definitely it takes longer because the carpet is thicker, but in the end was past the test and clean it very well. The cleaning of your sofa never been more easy. Just use this Mini-Motorized head. Turbo mode. Nice job. Or if you want, you can use this 2-in-1 brush for tight areas. Nice suction power. Or if you want, you can use this flexible hose. The brush. Or if you want, you can use the 2-in-1 flat brush with the flexible hose or without. The brush, extend the brush. And again. Nice clean sofa. And of course you can clean the keyboard of your laptop. Or any other keyboard. Your furniture from any dust. Definitely so easy to clean the dust at any area on your home. I have installed the wall mount dock at the wall for charging and storage. It stylish and stores the machine without taking up too much space. And you can access all the accessories so easy. I have used this cordless vacuum cleaner from the start of my test with 100% battery, and now it is on the lowest the battery. Has managed to complete the test without a problem, and every time I was using different suction speed. I can say I'm very happy with the results. From my experience, if you want to clean all your home, it's better to use the middle mode. That's how you will have more time for cleaning. Only use the turbo mode on a very difficult spots to clean. And of course it helps a lot to have so many accessories and use them on a different areas at your home or car for cleaning. There are so many combinations with these attachments. Dreame V11 Cordless Stick Vacuum. I hope my video was very helpful and make your mind to decide if you want to buy it or not. I think it was a long test and for me it was very clear what it can do. And with all guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.